Welcome everybody. Today we will show you a fascinating property of light, that it travels in a straight line. Here we have three cardboard with this and hole in them, and the light source is torch. Now I am going to show that light travels in a straight line. Look at this torch. It is emitting light. This concept is called rectilinear propagation of light, which means light travels in a straight line. We use multiple boards. Light passes only when all boards are aligned, because light cannot bend on its own. Even if one board is moved, the light stops reaching the screen because the straight path is now blocked. This shows that light does not spread randomly, it follows the straight line. But if even one board is shifted out of the line, so the view is being disturbed. In conclusion, this simple activity demonstrates that light travels in a straight line. If the path is bent or blocked, the light cannot reach our eyes and we cannot see the object. Thank you.